Welcome back guys to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about RLC targets for the bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. When you zoom out, you literally always can find easily the COVID dump. So around this area, it was March 2020 when all market reset, and then we got the new bull run, crazy bull run, and this is how the Referral looks like. So everybody who start talking when we just recover 50%, 100%, even 300%, people start talking about some Referral or some crazy gains, but this is how the Referral looks like, even on a market cap. Does this period looks like this one? Absolutely not. And if we count, for example, even from this candle in April 2021 till May 2021, in a few weeks, we made 800% gains. So this is how the trail and Referral looks like. Now we are trading not so far from 27 zone. Why I marked the fib like this one? Because on a line chart, I cut all noise, all these weeks. I marked this line, it's a COVID dump. So maybe in the next bear market, we're going to sweep this low. So just keep in mind this liquidity zone, because a lot of people buying at this level, and not every single altcoin beat previous all-time high, but every single altcoin can drop lower than the listing price, historical low. So this is a weekly time frame. Top, support, bounce, test 38 level by fib, come back and test the 27 zone. If we count 27 zone, so this one, like usually it's okay to accumulate in this time period. And here, if we use the fib just only for this range, you can find out how the fib works and how the level works. Here, test 0.5, bounce, sweep the liquidity at 61. It's levels of this range, then bounce and come back to hold the line at 38. So all levels are basically legit. Now we bounce. So on indicator set, you will see how the whales accumulate that time period. This coin here, we can also sweep it, the liquidity pool where we leave it in November 2020 here. Sometimes it took around 2 years, when we leave some gaps or some zones, for whales, they needed time to distribute. So we got a lowest point, bounce. They fix some profit, leave some liquidity pool, support, bounce insanely, and after 2 years, come back down to sweep this pool once again. So now, like you can see, we're tested several times from August 2023 till October 2023. We tested just this tiny range, around 18 level by fib, $1, $1.01. Now we try and hold the line this like support, and the road can be open to sweep at least this target. This liquidity pool is going to be like a main trigger for whales, and it's around 0.5 level by fib, $6.23. And let's count, is it possible to hit this target or not? Because look, if we zoom out, take a look on the market cap for this token. At the highest point, and once again, it was the end of bull run, April, May 2021, and I already made a post today on Twitter why exactly this was the end of bull run. So here, almost 1 billion market cap was this coin. Now the circulation supply, 83% coin circulation supply, 72,300,000 coin circulation supply. This one, let's say $6.23. We have to reach 450 million market cap, more than real. So basically nothing changed, it's going to be just a half of this way. So nothing new, and $6 is more than real to hit. And if you think it's not enough, so it's not a big deal. So look, here's a 56 cent to hit 0.5 level by fib and the sweep this high. So for example, $6.57 and test 61 level by fib, $7 from the lowest point where we leave it here in June 2022. So for example, $7, it's $500 million market cap. And maybe, I don't know, maybe this is going to be the end for this token, this cycle. So look, we can see easily something like this one and then drop it down and forming something like this one on a chart. This one. Somebody start drawing the downtrend line like this one, where we test this area. You know, when we sweep this high, everybody start talking, oh, we broke the downtrend line, but we can make a move like this one, retest, and going down to the new bear market. Most positive scenario, if we go really hit new all-time high. To hit new all-time high, we have to reach at least, if we count by line chart here, $14, 80 and 222. 14, it's going to be 1 billion market cap, and 22, it's 1.6 billion market cap. Both of these scenarios is possible. What I always told you, it's always build your plan when accumulate and when to fix profit, because the people so often just chase the round numbers, some specific price targets, you know, just mark your entry zone, not some specific price target till penny, you know, mark your zone. It's, for example, 27 zone, and right to this area, fix 30%, for example. Then if you believe in this project and we go in higher, fix 30%, then 30%, and leave 10%, for example, or more to crazy gains. You know, you always will end the bull run with a profit, because a lot of people will stock in this coin. The same like people stock, for example, with the Sol at 250 or at Bitcoin at 65, because somebody told you we have to go to 100K. No, we don't have to. Market doesn't owe you nothing. So let's go to indicator set and take a look what the whales do with this coin now and previous months. So here, a huge accumulation was here, and the biggest accumulation was exactly in June 2022. And I told you it was bottom for Bitcoin, the real bottom for Bitcoin, and on FTX collapse with just a sweep liquidity. So this June 2022, the bottom, biggest accumulation ever on this coin. The same story from January 2022 till August 2022, the big whales accumulate this coin. So they build the average entry. So for example, if they average entry here at $2.30, then at 59, and once again accumulate here at $1.12, and here at 91 cents. So the average entry can be around $1.50, for example, $1.50. And trust me, if they invest, they not invest some 10K or 100K. They can invest during all this time period, accumulated coins for different wallets. You know, it doesn't mean it's some one whale, you know, accumulate in one wallet where you can track. No, it can be the group of people or some whale, but with different wallets, you know, and with average price at $1.50, they can easily push the price to $1, to $3, or to 0.23 by FIB, $4.20, and he can easily withdraw, for example, $5 million investment and leave free coins. And he got almost 3x profit. So he withdraw initial deposit, and with double X can write to new all-time high or new high. And at $6 he can out of this coin. And the people will stock once again. Or at 14, for example. Because what they need a timing. That's why we can see something like this one, for example, on the chart. Distribution on ADZ. Here we got a distribution. But here was accumulation. We didn't see some crazy distribution and crazy sell signal on direction. If we zoom out on monthly, here we're in distribution zone, but without any divergences or so. I'm not touching this coin, you know, and it's only up to you. Accumulate this coin or not. I'm not touching because I don't want to buy in distribution zone. Let's take a look on market mode money power. Here, the whales fix some power profit. That's why, yes, we always have a chance to come back once again to 27 zone, to sweep even this low and test 27 level, 32 cents. Always we have a chances. But you take an action or not. So the people who bought it here, for example, you could for example, this sweep, you could fix around 300% profit, or at least at this area, withdraw initial deposit, and you got now 3 coins on your head. Now we got a signal to some whales close some part of their position. It doesn't mean they close 100%, but look, it was here, it was here, it was here. And based on the money market mood, this was a time where the whales accumulate mostly, based on ADZ or even on a market mood. Now we're in a optimistic zone. Here, it's like similar here. So yes, it's optimism. We can drop it down, for example, to sweep this local low once again, test 18 level by FIB, and then continuation. Negative scenario, you already know. Sweep this low, 62 cents. Most negative scenario, of course, it's a sweep of COVID dump, but I don't think so. We will sweep it this year or next year. So this scenario also possible, and continuation. Most normal scenario is something like this one. Main target is here, where you can start easily fix profit for this token. But always just follow your plan. I just share my idea. Trade on and take profit. Here was a signal to buy, main one on a weekly time frame. Take profit, sell, fix position, sell. Last signal to sell was here at $8.90. And we drop it down. Now we got a recommendation close position. No new signal to buy or sell. But it doesn't mean we can't move much higher. And here, how it looks like. Here was once again the perfect zone for accumulation. It's based on ADZ, based on direction, based on 27 zone, and we traded under fundamental price. Now we from here this week in October. Here how we bounce from the buy line. From the buy line, now we can test and close 100% profit at $1.76. So some of whales definitely close their position, and maybe we'll see the reaction. So this is a target. It's a local one, $1.76. Buy line at this current moment, 89. Fundamental value, it's like you can see we curved down. Fundamental value now at 65. That's why build your own plan. And look, we are trade around 27 zone from the first touch of 27 zone here, 525 days. And we out of 27 zone. That's why build your own plan. 500 days, it's more than enough for accumulation. It's more than enough to accumulate any single coin. And you can open the chart, for example, chain link. It's pure example how the whales accumulate in some specific zone and then push the price so high. But when they got double X, they can easily withdraw initial deposit, millions, leave free coins and the right with the free money from the air. You can do the same. That's why this target is most conservative price target. What I think definitely gonna reach, and you can leave some free coins to maybe new all-time high. Who knows? Nobody knows. That's why, guys, always build your own plan for this target, because like we saw on Volta-Chain, Pearl, and many other coins, Binance can delist in any moment, or any coin can be delisted, even it's a XRP. We already saw how they Coinbase delisted the XRP, and then come back again. That's why always be careful when you're buying any single coin, and build your own plan when in and when out. So basically, the volume is good, over than almost 1.4 million trading volume in 24 hours is good. So this all exchanges what traded this coin. So guys, build your own plan and follow your plan. I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my custom maker set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.